After having the concept of monomial, binomial and trinomial, now we will move to the next type of polynomial, that is a constant polynomial. Constant polynomial. So what do you mean by a constant polynomial? Means there is only constant term, there is no variable. Okay, so for example, if I write 8, so this is a constant polynomial, simply a number. Okay, it is a constant polynomial, there is no variable. So if there is no variable, only constant is there, then that type of polynomial is called constant polynomial. Now for example, simply you can say 9 also, 18, 100. Okay, but not 0. 0 is not called constant polynomial. Okay, if I write simply 0, this is also a constant, but this is not called constant polynomial. This have another name, and this is called 0 polynomial. So this is called 0 polynomial. Okay, understood? So apart from 0, if any number is given, then it is constant polynomial, but if 0 is given, then it is called 0 polynomial. Okay, so in class 9 we are only concerned about the polynomial in one variable. Okay, so we are not studying polynomial in 2 variables, in 3 variables. We are only studying a polynomial in one variable. Okay, so there is only one variable, either it is x, y, z, t, p, anything, but there is only one variable. So now next topic is the coefficient. Okay, so how will you find the coefficient of any power of a variable in a polynomial? Suppose if I give you the polynomial 5x to the power 4 minus 3x square plus 2x plus 3. Okay, so now if I say what is the coefficient of x square, coefficient of x square, so what does it mean? Okay, it means the constant term in front of x square. You can see in front of every variable there is a constant, every power of a variable, in fact, because variable is x only, there is only one variable, that is x, but here they have different powers. So for each power there is one constant term. For example, for x to the power 4 there is 5, for x square there is minus 3, for 2x, for x it is 2. Okay, so in that way. Okay, so now I am asking you to find the coefficient of x square, means the constant term in front of x square. What is the constant term in front of x square? So in front of x square, what is it? 3. But we will not only take the number, we will also take the sign. So it is minus 3. So what is the coefficient of x square? Minus 3. Okay, similarly coefficient of x. What is the coefficient of x? Means the constant term in front of x. So where is x? Here it is x to the power 4, here it is x square, here it is x. So only x. So in front of x the constant term is 2 plus 2. So plus 2 means simply 2. If it is plus, no need to write, isn't it? So now what is the coefficient of x to the power 4? For that you have to first find x to the power 4. Where is x to the power 4? Here. Okay, so in coefficient of x to the power 4 means the constant term in front of x to the power 4. So what is it? 5. So it is plus 5. Okay, so now what is coefficient of x cube? That is x to the power 3. What is the coefficient of x cube in this polynomial? So for that you have to find x cube, that is x to the power 3. Where is it? X to the power 4, it is x square, it is x, there is nothing. So what is it? So x cube is not there. Then what is the coefficient of x cube? If the variable with such power is not there in the polynomial, then the coefficient will be 0. Remember this point. So x cube is not here. So that is why the coefficient of x cube is 0. Okay. So in this way we have to do for the coefficient. So did you understand what is coefficient? So here after that, so what is the now degree of a polynomial? So since we are only concerned about the polynomial in one variable, the definition of the degree is very easy, as you have already studied in class 8 also. Actually this all things we have studied in class 8. Degree of a polynomial means the highest power of a variable. What is it? The highest power of a variable. Okay. So as I already told you, the degree of a polynomial means the highest power of a variable in a polynomial. Okay. So there are some polynomials I have given here. So you have to find the degree of this polynomials. Okay. So how will you find? You have to see what is the variable here. The variable here is x. We are only concerned about polynomial in one variable. So more than one variable I have not given. Okay. So there is only one variable, that is x. So that means its degree is the highest power of x, isn't it? So what is the highest power of x? Here the power of x is 5. Here the power of x is 2. Here the power of x is 1. Here what? Okay, tell me what is the power of x here in the constant place. So the power of x here is 0. Okay, because variable is not here, it is constant, so the power of x is 0. Okay, so here the power of x is 0. Here the power of x is 1. Here x square, that is 2. Here x to the power 5, that is 5. So which one is highest? 5, 2, 1 or 0? Obviously 5. So what is the degree of this polynomial? 5. Okay. Similarly here, what is the degree of this polynomial? Here the power of x is 7. Here the power of x is 9. And here the power of x is 0. Because x is not there, then the power is 0. Isn't it? So what is the degree of this polynomial? 7, 9, 0 means degree is 9, the highest power. Isn't it? So here 7y square minus 3y cube plus 2y plus 5. Okay, so here the variable is y, not x. Okay, so you have to find the highest power of y. So as easy as that. Here the power is 2, here the power is 3, here 1, here 0. So what is the highest power? 3. So the degree is 3. So for this polynomial, what is the degree? The power of t. Here the variable is t, so we have to see the power of t. So the power of t here is 3, here is 4, here is 7, and here is 0. So which one is highest? Obviously 7. So the degree of this polynomial is 7. Okay. So students, before ending this video, I would like to give you some homework, and the homework is exercise 2.1. You can see your exercise 2.1 and number 1, number 2 and number 4. All sums, okay, like A, B, C, D, whatever is the number. Exercise 2.1, 1, 2 and 4, all sums you do it as your homework. Okay, thank you.